Well, hello, my friends. I hope you guys are both staying healthy, creative, motivated, considerate, and all those beautiful things. Crazy times right now. So for today's distraction, I'm going to take you on a final test drive in an Icon Bronco. Specifically, it is a 1971. It is Icon BR number 68, and it is built in the old school design package. So mechanically, we are running the Coyote 5-liter aluminum fuel injected V8, putting out about 412 horse, 420 torquey. Transmission in this case, Ford AOD 4-speed automatic with overdrive. That in turn is sending power through to the Atlas 2 twin-stick shift on the fly part-time 4-wheel drive transfer case. Axles are by our buddies at Curry. So we're running a Dana 60 based in the rear and a 44 in the front. And fine spline axles, ARB locking differentials on this one, that's an option. Icon Sport brakes by Brembo, featuring 6-piston front calipers, 4-piston rear, 2-piece hat rotors, titanium hardware, and all of that is assisted by a Hydro Boost master system. We're running the Sport suspension, which runs the remote canister nitrogen charged units with Eibach coils. You have tunable sway bars front and rear, radius arm in the front, 4-link in the rear. For exhaust, full stainless steel. This truck is running our more restrained of our two exhaust system options. That's made for us by Borla in food grade stainless mandrel bent, TIG welded, pretty enough to eat off of. We're running the old school wheels. In this case, we went ahead and painted them in the factory Wimbledon white, which is followed up by the grille inserts, as well as the hardtop. The body is a lovely, unique blue color. Doing a lot of blues lately, seems to be a popular thing. And we did the Ranger trim in the original Brightwork finish on this one. We also did the bright and shiny door trim work on the interior and exterior, which is a singular line item option for you. That includes the Brightwork inserts on the fixed window glass on the hardtop as well. So on the outside, we're running the optional Icon spare tire carrier assembly, for which I actually have an update for those of you with stock Broncos. We just finished the prototype assembly. Now we need to fit check it on a stock body and chassis and make sure it's good to go, which means if it is good to go, we will shortly be ready to retail those. Been a lot of demand, but a lot of delays, as it really wasn't a core thing related to our production line. And then with the closure of our sublet partners during COVID, it created a couple more delays. Other details on this truck: on the inside, we're running Maharam or Maharam. I like saying Maharam, it's just more fun for the tongue. Textiles from their outdoor patio furniture line. And then from Douglas, an aircraft supplier, we're running the 3-way stretch light gray vinyl, which has a really nice touch and feel to it. It's much softer, more flexible than you'd traditionally feel with an automotive rated vinyl. So it sort of has the suppleness of leather, but it's thinner and more durable in theory. Door panels are the Icon old school design with the CNC'd and chrome plated Brightwork trim piece. There's a LED light that glows out underneath that. It has 2 settings. So at night, it's very low, just sort of ambient light situation. And then when you open your door, it's full bright, along with the roll cage mounted LED super bright light. And those spears continue down to the cargo panels in the rear. We're running the old school painted option steering wheel, and that has a gray leather wrapped option on it as well. Gauges, AC vents, all knobs and switches and bezels are all unique to old school. We're running the tuck and tumble 2-passenger bench. We're running the Mac Daddy audio with the Focal K2s with separates, JL audio and Alpine for bass and amp. And then of course we're running the Pioneer, can't keep up, they keep updating these darn things, 80-something 100 NEX head unit. We're also running the seat heater option and power windows, power door locks as well. Power windows, as is now always the case. We're running my Gizmo, as I have so not poetically named it, which allows you, so it looks like an analog traditional window crank. You simply push down for down and up for up. But if you double click down, you get all down. And if you double click, you get all up. That's all I have to share with you on this fine day, other than hopefully some kindness, and hopefully I distracted you for a few minutes. Be good, be healthy, be well. That's all I got. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. The old school telephone number is 818-280-3333. The website is simply icon4x4.com. And then on Facebook as well as Instagram, it's also icon4x4. I'll see you on the next one.